MET speaking is the final section of MET and is 100% digital. You will see the prompts on the screen and hear them aloud. The audio recording starts and stops automatically for each of the 5 tasks. Follow these top tips to excel in your MET speaking. In MET Speaking Task 1, you will describe a visual scene for 60 seconds. Describe all or most of the figures, characters, objects, or actions within the image. Describe the location and details that you can see in the image. To get a higher score, discuss details and elaborate on why you think the characters are doing what they are doing, what they could be feeling, and why they might be in the situation. In MET Speaking Task 2, you will describe an experience, habit, or preference that is related to the picture in Task 1 for 60 seconds. Use questions, who, what, how, why, when, to guide your responses and make sure you are giving lots of details. If you are asked about a past experience, use details and explanations to fully describe the situation and how you felt. If you are asked to talk about a habit or preference, give plenty of reasons and examples to support your ideas. For example, you can talk about why you like that activity or how often you do it. To get a higher score, include as many details as you can about the topic or experience. In MET Speaking Task 3, you will state and explain your opinion about a topic for 60 seconds. The topic will be related to Tasks 1 and 2. To get a higher score, fully explain why you support one side over the other, and include reasons and examples if you can. It is helpful to explain why you didn't choose the other option. In MET Speaking Task 4, you'll be asked to talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of a situation for 90 seconds. Mention both advantages and disadvantages and include details about both. You are not expected to choose a side, so focus on developing your response to explain a range of advantages and disadvantages. To get a higher score, use unique details that fully support each side. In MET Speaking Task 5, you will see and hear about a situation or a proposal. You will also be given an audience to address, a school principal, for example, and will explain and justify your opinion for 90 seconds. To complete this task, you must argue for or against the proposal or point of view presented in the task. You must choose a side of the issue and produce a well-supported argument. To get a higher score, use persuasive language to support your point of view and to convince the listener to agree with you. Going beyond just presenting a clear opinion, use more formal language because you will be talking to a person of authority. For every task on MET Speaking, make sure you fill the full time allowed with lots of relevant detail. Use complex vocabulary and grammar accurately and appropriately. Remember to practice with a timer so you can get used to the time limits. Practice is key, so set some time aside to practice your speaking as much as you can. Good luck on your MET Speaking.